Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a little bit of fun and talk about my Scrambler. All right. I don't like talking about what this bike can do. You just ride it and it's fun. That's all I can say. So, SW Motech windshield here. I got this mostly to protect my dash and whatever else comes flying at my face. Got some bark busters here. This is the VPS up here. I had to buy brand new brackets. These bark busters actually came off my Africa Twin before I traded it. So I had to get these brand new brackets that'll fit. And so we got Tech Bike Parks mirror here by Tech, located down in California. They're a British company. These are actually on sale for like 55 bucks. I got these because I don't like the mirrors where they used to be up right here. So I got these here instead. These mirrors, I have no idea if they'll hold up in a crash on the dirt, but we're gonna find out. 55 bucks, whatever. Let's find out. Legends bag by SW Motech. This is actually a magnetic. Some people say don't run magnetic on a tank, you'll scratch a tank. Honestly, I don't care. I'm here to ride my bike. This is from, I totally forgot where I got this from. This is for my Garmin Zumo. It's a lock. Oh, it's from Touratech. This is a Garmin Zumo lock. You can put your Garmin Zumo in here and you can lock it. Nobody can steal it. It's great. I recommend getting this ram mount right here so you can lock it to the handlebar so nobody can steal that off the handlebar. It's great. So let's go around the corner here. These are the Olin shocks that came stock with the bike. I just finished installing these Tech upper springs. For those who are curious, these springs are actually two-piece. There's an upper and there's a lower. So when you go through Tech, they actually sell lowering springs if you want to lower your bike. But I went for the stiffer springs, which gives an extra 25% stiffness in the upper side. So that's a good thing if you're carrying a load or if you're just fat overweight like me, it's great. I'll see how that runs. This side, we got the Tech exhaust. This is the shorty exhaust. It only weighs about 3 pounds. I'm actually kind of surprised by this one. It's not the prettiest thing on the Scrambler, but you know what? It gets the job done and it takes like 10 pounds of weight off the bike, just putting this little 3-pounder on there. And it's mean too. It's like a 90 decibels. Let's go up here. SW Motech crash bars, one on each side. I'm actually interested in getting the Triumph bars that go down here. You never know what you'll encounter on the trails. So I think that's everything that I've done. I told myself when I bought the Scrambler, I was not going to go buck wild on the mods, and yeah, 6 months later. Oh yeah, tidy tail kit, and I got some shorty tail lights, and ended up getting the shorty tail lights through here. A lot of the stuff I bought from either Tech Bike Parks or SW Motech, or I went through A&J Cycles. I highly recommend A&J Cycles. They got everything for the Scrambler. So that's it in a nutshell. Hope you enjoy. A couple weeks from now, handlebar's gonna get replaced. It's gonna get a FasstCo Flex bar. It's kind of blasphemous to put a Flex bar on a Scrambler, but you know what? I ride this bike like off-road like 70% of the time. Might as well just set it up for how I want to ride it. And these bark busters probably end up going away too. I'm gonna get the FasstCo, what's it called? Hand guards that I can plug right in. Oh, and I got this Radiator Guard too. I keep missing things. This is Iconic Parts Radiator Guard. Gives you some side protection. The honeycomb is actually more tight knit than the stock one, so it'll probably catch more particles. So I highly recommend scoping out one of these. You can get that from A&J Cycles as well. Oh yeah, I missed something else. The header. It's Free Spirits H-pipe through A&J Cycles as well. Got rid of the catalytic converter. This thing just makes it seem like there's a catalytic converter in there, but there actually isn't. Don't tell anybody. And that's about it. So if you have any questions about my build or my bike, feel free to send me a message.